In this video, we'll show you how to animate objects along a circular path in Camtasia, adding a dynamic and visually engaging element to your videos. To start, draw a circular shape to serve as the path for your animation. Next, create a smaller circle for the moving object. Duplicate this small shape and move it to the opposite side of the larger circle. Then, adjust the opacity to make it invisible. Now, group the two smaller circles together. Add a custom animation to the group. Select the endpoint of the animation and rotate the group 360 degrees. And that's it. You now have a smooth, circular motion for your object, giving your video an extra layer of creativity and polish. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.